Welcome to Splendor, where clarity meets growth, and your journey to a focused, productive life begins. You are about to experience a powerful guide, meditation for focus and productivity. In a world overflowing with distractions, meditation is not just a peaceful escape, it is a performance tool, a mental upgrade, and a path to purpose. This audiobook is your companion in learning how to sharpen your focus, silence the noise, and unlock your true potential through simple, daily mindfulness. Whether you are overwhelmed by work, lost in a digital blur, or simply seeking more from your time, this is for you. Let us begin this journey inward, where clarity, energy, and focus are not found, but created. This is Splendor, and this is your moment. Meditation for focus and productivity. Introduction. In today's world, distractions are everywhere. From notifications on our phones to the constant pressure to multitask, staying focused and being productive can feel like a challenge. Meditation offers a powerful solution. It helps quiet the mind, improve attention, and increase our ability to complete tasks efficiently. This audiobook is designed to guide you through the practice of meditation with a special focus on enhancing concentration and productivity. Whether you are a student, a professional, or simply someone who wants to make the most of each day, this book is for you. Understanding meditation. Meditation is a practice where we train our minds to focus and redirect our thoughts. It has been used for thousands of years, not only for spiritual growth, but also for improving mental clarity and emotional health. In this book, we focus on mindfulness meditation, which involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment. Mindfulness meditation does not require you to clear your mind completely. Instead, it invites you to observe your thoughts without becoming attached to them. Over time, this simple practice can help reduce stress, improve attention, and promote overall well-being. For example, consider Aisha, a university student preparing for her final exams. She used to feel overwhelmed by anxiety and distraction. After practicing meditation daily for just 15 minutes, she noticed that her ability to retain information improved. She also felt calmer during exams. Her experience reflects the benefits that consistent meditation can bring. The science behind meditation. Research in neuroscience has shown that meditation can change the structure and function of the brain. According to a study by Harvard University in 2011, regular meditation increases the gray matter in the hippocampus, which is responsible for memory and learning. It also reduces the volume of the amygdala, which is involved in stress and anxiety. Other studies have shown that just 10 to 20 minutes of meditation each day can improve attention span, enhance creativity, and boost emotional regulation. These findings confirm what many practitioners have known for centuries. Meditation is a powerful tool for enhancing focus and productivity. One corporate example is Google, which introduced the Search Inside Yourself mindfulness program to employees. The result was not only higher productivity but also increased emotional intelligence and better teamwork. Preparing for meditation. To begin meditating, you do not need any special equipment or experience. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Choose a quiet space where you will not be disturbed. Sit comfortably, either on a chair or on the floor with a cushion. Keep your back straight but relaxed. Rest your hands on your knees or in your lap. Close your eyes or keep them gently open, focusing on a spot in front of you. The key is to find a position that feels stable and relaxed. Consistency is more important than duration. Even a few minutes of meditation each day can make a difference over time. Some people light a candle or play gentle background music to signal the beginning of their practice. Others keep a journal to track their progress. These small rituals can help create a sense of structure. Basic mindfulness meditation. Here is a simple practice to get you started. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths. Inhale slowly, then exhale gently. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your nose or the rise and fall of your chest. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Continue this practice for 5 to 10 minutes. Do not worry if your mind drifts. That is natural. Each time you bring your focus back to your breath, you are strengthening your attention. Many beginners find it helpful to use guided meditations through apps or online videos. These provide instructions and can help maintain motivation in the early stages. Meditation for focus. To use meditation specifically for focus, try this exercise. Set an intention. For example, say to yourself, "I am meditating to improve my focus." Choose an anchor. This could be your breath, a word like focus, or the feeling of your feet on the ground. When your attention drifts, return to your anchor. Do this as many times as needed. This practice trains your brain to stay present, even when faced with distractions. Over time, it becomes easier to focus during work or study. One example is Raj, a software developer who struggled with staying on task. He began practicing focus meditation for 10 minutes before work. Within a few weeks, he found himself writing cleaner code and finishing projects ahead of schedule. Meditation for productivity. Being productive means doing what matters most in a smart and efficient way. Meditation helps by reducing mental clutter and increasing clarity. Try this short routine before starting your day. Sit quietly and take a few deep breaths. Visualize your tasks for the day. See yourself completing each one calmly and effectively. If stress or doubt arises, acknowledge it without judgment and return to your breath. This form of mental rehearsal prepares your mind for action and helps you approach your tasks with confidence. Athletes often use this technique to prepare for competition. Business leaders use it before important meetings. The visualization helps build confidence and a sense of preparedness. Creating a daily practice, building a consistent meditation habit takes time, but it is worth the effort. Here are some tips to help you stay on track. Start small. Begin with 5 minutes a day and gradually increase the time. Choose a regular time and place for your practice. Use reminders, such as setting an alarm or leaving a note on your desk. Be patient and kind to yourself. Some days will be easier than others. Apps like Headspace, Calm, and Insight Timer offer structured programs that guide you through the process and help you stay motivated. Mindful living. Meditation is not just something you do while sitting still. You can bring mindfulness into your everyday activities. Try these simple practices. When eating, notice the flavors, textures, and smells of your food. When walking, pay attention to each step and the feeling of your feet on the ground. When listening, give the speaker your full attention without interrupting. One example is Maria, a teacher who began practicing mindful walking during her breaks. Instead of checking her phone, she focused on her breath and her steps. She found that this 5-minute habit refreshed her energy and helped her stay calm in the classroom. By living more mindfully, you reduce stress, improve relationships, and make better decisions. Your focus and productivity will naturally improve. Common challenges and how to overcome them. Meditation is simple, but not always easy. Here are common challenges and how to overcome them. I cannot stop thinking. Remember, the goal is not to stop thoughts but to observe them without getting involved. I do not have time. Even 1 minute of mindfulness is valuable. Try meditating while waiting in line or before a meeting. I get bored. Try varying your practice. Use guided meditations, walking meditations, or mindful journaling. I fall asleep. Try meditating in the morning or sitting upright rather than lying down. Every meditator faces difficulties. The key is to be kind to yourself and keep going. Digital detox with meditation. Digital distractions are a major source of lost focus. Notifications, social media, and constant messages keep our minds restless. Meditation can help create space from this digital noise. Try this practice. Put your phone in another room or turn off notifications. Sit quietly and take 5 deep breaths. Notice the urge to check your device. Let it pass without acting on it. Over time, this strengthens your ability to pause and choose your response instead of reacting automatically. Many people choose to begin their day with meditation before checking any messages. This sets a calm tone and helps prevent distraction-driven behavior. Conclusion: meditation is a simple yet powerful tool that can transform your life. By practicing mindfulness, you can increase your focus, boost your productivity, and experience greater peace of mind. You do not need a lot of time. Just a few minutes each day can lead to meaningful changes. Start where you are, be consistent, and most importantly, be kind to yourself.